Hi everyone, we all love our dogs. They're part of the family. Just like us, dogs can get sick. It's important to know when something is wrong. We need to pay attention to their health. Early detection of illness is so important. It can help our furry friends live longer, happier lives. Let's learn how to tell if our dogs are feeling under the weather. We can then get them the help they need quickly. It's all about being a responsible and loving pet parent. Dogs can't tell us when they're sick, but their bodies give us clues. Changes in behavior are often our first hint. Is your usually playful pup suddenly less active? Are they sleeping more than usual? These could be signs that something is off. Keep a close eye on your dog's bathroom habits too. Changes in urination or bowel movements are also red flags. Remember, every dog is different. Knowing your dog's normal behavior is key. That way you can spot any changes right away. Food is usually a big motivator for dogs. So, a sudden loss of appetite is a major warning sign. Don't ignore it if your dog refuses to eat for a day or two. This could indicate a serious health issue. It's also important to watch for any weight loss. Even if your dog is still eating, gradual weight loss is not normal. Changes in drinking habits are another thing to monitor. Is your dog suddenly drinking more or less water than usual? This could also signal a problem. Section 4. Energy levels. From playful pup to couch potato. Dogs, much like humans, go through various phases in their lives. One moment, they are full of boundless energy, running around and playing fetch with unbridled enthusiasm. We all have days when we just want to curl up on the couch. It's a natural part of life to have moments of rest and relaxation. But if your dog's energy levels take a nosedive, it's time to pay attention. A sudden change in their behavior can be a signal that something isn't quite right. Has your playful pup suddenly become a couch potato? This shift from being active to lethargic can be concerning. Do they seem lethargic or uninterested in their favorite activities? If your dog is no longer excited about their toys or daily walks, it might be more than just a phase. These could be signs of pain, discomfort, or illness. Dogs often hide their pain, so subtle changes in their behavior can be the first clue. Don't dismiss it as your dog just being lazy. It's important to observe and understand these changes. It's always better to err on the side of caution. Consulting with a vet can help identify any underlying issues early on. Remember, your dog relies on you to be their advocate. They depend on you to notice when something is off and to take the necessary steps to ensure their well-being. So, always keep an eye on their energy levels and overall health. Section 5. What to do, when to call the vet. Knowing when to call the vet can make a significant difference in your dog's health and well-being. If you notice any of the signs we've discussed, don't panic, but do take action. It's important to stay calm and collected so you can effectively communicate with your vet. The best thing to do is call your veterinarian. They are trained to handle these situations and can provide you with the best advice. Describe your dog's symptoms clearly and accurately. Mention any changes in behavior, appetite, or energy levels. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Your vet is there to help you understand what's going on and what steps to take next. Your vet is your partner in your dog's health. Building a good relationship with them can make a big difference in your dog's care. Early intervention is key to treating many health conditions. The sooner you address a problem, the better the outcome is likely to be. Don't wait until things get worse. Acting quickly can prevent minor issues from becoming major health problems. A simple checkup could save your dog's life. Regular visits to the vet can catch potential issues before they become serious. Remember, you know your dog best. Trust your observations and don't hesitate to seek help if something feels off. Trust your instincts and seek professional help when needed. Your attentiveness and quick action can make all the difference in your dog's health and happiness. Section 6. A positive note. Keeping your best friend healthy. Our dogs are more than just pets. They are family members who bring immense joy and unconditional love into our lives. Our dogs give us so much love and joy. They are always there to greet us with wagging tails and happy barks, making even the toughest days a little brighter. Let's return the favor by being attentive to their health. This means providing them with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and plenty of mental stimulation to keep them happy and engaged. Regular veterinary checkups are crucial for early detection and prevention. These visits help catch potential health issues before they become serious, ensuring your dog stays in the best possible shape. Just like we go to the doctor for checkups, our dogs need them too. These visits can include vaccinations, dental care, and overall wellness exams. By being vigilant and proactive, we can help our furry friends live long, happy, and healthy lives. Regular exercise, a nutritious diet, and mental stimulation are key components of their well-being. And hey, for more helpful tips on keeping your pet healthy and happy, make sure you like and subscribe. We regularly share valuable information that can help you be the best pet parent possible. Until next time, be kind to animals and each other. Remember, a little love and care go a long way in ensuring our pets lead fulfilling lives.